Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. If you're looking to rent your static caravan on Airbnb, unfortunately, there is no specific category which you can assign to your property, but let me show you what is the best option you can choose. When you start creating your listing, this will be the first screen. Click on the Get Started option here and then click on Next again. Airbnb keeps changing these screens, but most likely you will be greeted with this as the first screen. Now it gets really confusing for people because they can't see any static caravan option here. But the best option and the next closest option is this campervan motorhome option. So if you're looking to rent your static caravan, choose this option. This is the best and the closest. And I've seen hundreds of static caravans being listed in the same category. Just choose that and click on Next. And then you will choose an entire space, click on Next, and just carry on entering the address and the rest of the listing creation process. If you're not sure exactly how to move on from this step, I will leave a link to another video which I have created earlier on, which would guide you through each and every step of creating an entire listing end-to-end on Airbnb. And that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you got the answer you were looking for. Choose a campervan or motorhome as a property type when you're listing a static caravan. I hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.